Hey there, crypto curious and futures fanatics. Ever wondered what happens when a crypto powerhouse buys a traditional finance giant? Thinking face, that's exactly what went down when Kraken acquired NinjaTrader. This isn't just another headline, it's a massive power play that could change the way we trade forever. So, what does this $1.5 billion deal mean for you, the trader? Let's break it down. A new era of trading integration. Kraken, a global leader in cryptocurrency, is known for its deep liquidity and advanced trading features. NinjaTrader, on the other hand, is a dominant force in futures trading, providing a robust platform for millions of active traders. By joining forces, they're not just adding new services, they're blurring the lines between crypto and traditional finance, and creating an entirely new kind of platform. This move positions Kraken to be a one-stop shop for multiple asset classes. Chart increasing. What it means for traders. For NinjaTrader users, there are no immediate changes to your accounts or services. Your platform, pricing, and access remain exactly the same. But big things are on the horizon. The acquisition allows Kraken to leverage NinjaTrader's Futures Commission Merchant (FCM) license, opening the door for Kraken to offer crypto futures and derivatives to U.S. clients. This means a more diverse range of products and potentially a more seamless trading experience. Think of it as getting the best of both worlds on a single, unified platform. Conversely, for Kraken users, you're getting access to NinjaTrader's top-tier analytics, execution engines, and futures liquidity. This means pro-grade tools for a more sophisticated trading experience. The combined entity is also set to accelerate its expansion into other markets, including equities and payments, further cementing its vision of an institutional-grade trading platform where any asset can be traded anytime. It's a game-changer that aims to solve the limitations of traditional markets, like their limited trading hours and delayed settlements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.